In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic search ads on Google Ads. Dynamic search ads can be a game changer for your digital marketing strategy. They help catch the interest of potential customers just when they are searching for products or services like yours. It's a smart and efficient way to drive more traffic without struggling with extensive keyword lists. So, if you're ready, let's dive into the process. First things first, head over to the Google Ads homepage, simply type in Google Ads in your search engine, or go to the URL if you have it handy. Once you're at the Google Ads landing page, you're going to look for the sign in button, which should be quite visible at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up, but for today's instructions, we'll assume you already have one. With access granted, navigate to the Google Ads home interface. This is your central hub where all the magic happens. From here, you're going to locate the campaign tab on the left-hand panel. Click on it and this will bring you to an overview of all your current advertising campaigns in one neat space. Now what you want to do next is click on Ad Groups. Ad groups help you manage your ads within a campaign, organizing them neatly so you can keep track of how each is performing. Right after selecting ad groups, look for an option that says Create Ad Group. Give it a click and this is where your creative process begins to take shape. You'll be prompted to select a campaign for your new ad group. Choose the one most relevant to the audience you're targeting. It's important to pick a campaign that aligns with your advertising goals and product category. Once you've chosen your campaign, move along to the ad group type section. You'll notice different options available, but for our needs today, focus on selecting dynamic. Selecting dynamic is crucial because it allows Google to automatically pull relevant headlines and landing pages from your website, creating personalized ads for users based on their search responses. This not only saves you time, but also ensures your potential customers are shown ads most relevant to their searches. Once you've made those selections, you'll follow the instructions centered around completing the setup process, which involves confirming your website domain and more. And there you have it, your dynamic search ads are ready to help you acquire new customers efficiently. Make sure you periodically review your ads performance to fine-tune and optimize for better results. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Google Ads more effectively.